Today I'm going to be fitting what is described as a remote battery disconnect switch to my vehicle battery, which is currently 12 volts, though this device can be used for 24 volt applications. So let's unbox it, and the actual box of tricks which is going to do the job of the disconnection device. It's remote controlled. A couple of spring washers, I'm not sure how they tie in, and a little pad and some instructions. So we'll proceed to connect this up as per the schematic diagram, and we'll disconnect the negative of this car battery as that's where it fits, and we'll work out where, hopefully how, we can fit this. Now there are a few features to it which I will go into in the course of the video. I've had a bit of a trial run, and here is the only place we can shoehorn it in. Now that's the negative for the stop battery, that cable there, and there's some pipes there what are restricting it. We don't want to short the device out and render it useless, so we need a little air gap there. And I think that's what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take it all apart and tighten this up, as it's all been left really loose by design. So it took a moment just to nip this up, this terminal here. I don't know why they don't do that anyway, but it needed tightening up. And this one here will nip up from the top, so that you do need these nice and tight, because if you've got any loose connections, they're just going to generate heat and all kinds of manner of problems, and it's a road you don't want to be going down. I've also freed off this cable, so we'll get that loosely positioned on the battery. Okay, well, after a bit of faffing around, we've got that installed. Now that's in its original position in relation to the box of tricks. Now that one, I did undo that Allen key there and flip it, as I was having a bit of trouble with this cable in relation to that bolt making a connection, because that's one thing I do not want. So we get in there, and do take care not to swing on it too much, because it's quite fragile. You've got to support everything as you apply tension on it, or you could end up damaging that box. So we've got the unit in now, and this is the bit where we have to be ultra careful, because we're working on the positive side of the battery, and there are a few things to be aware of. If you take a spanner, put it on the nut, and then hit that against something metallic, that's the earth of the vehicle, sparks will fly and damage could occur to your battery. And also, while you're working on this side of things, be very careful, because that is actually connected to the positive. So if you strike a spanner from there to there, you're going to accidentally short out your battery. Now many years ago, I was working with my dad, and he was in the habit of resting tools on the battery, you know, while we were working, and it's a really bad practice. So eventually he put a tool down on the battery just without really looking, and managed to short the whole thing out, and it exploded with an almighty bang and showered the pair of us in battery acid. So if you needed a tale of woe to keep you focused, that is it. Okay, so I've nipped that up just there, and I've routed the cable down there, and I'm trying to keep it away from the negative side, as we don't want it breaking the insulation and coming into contact. So I think I might just get a little zip tie and zip tie that up. Ideally it could do with an inline fuse, but there isn't one provided. Just to keep everything safe, maybe fuse it an amp, 3 amp, something like that. Okay, so I've got that installed, and just check everything's nice and secure before proceeding on to the next stage. And we've got some lights there, and we've got the remote in hand, and we'll turn it on for the first time. You will actually hear a little click and a bleep, which is quite nice. And the unit's nicely powered up, so a couple of features here. If it's if the battery voltage is above 13.8, you can't switch it off at all using the remote. And the other feature is to protect the discharging of the battery. So if it's below 11, if it gets to 11.8 volts, it should shut itself down to preserve the state of charge in the battery. I did try for a good while turning everything on, trying to get the battery to do that, so it failed to go down to 11.8 volts. The battery's too good. I turned all the wipers on, front and rear, headlights, fog lights, absolutely everything, and waited a couple of minutes, and we didn't achieve the 11.8 volts reduction. It's a testimony to the strength of the battery which I've got on the vehicle, as you should always test batteries under load, and it definitely survived the load. And for the next test, what I did is I had the engine running, turned everything on, and then I was desperately trying to make it turn the battery off, and it did hold on. So it does everything it actually said in the specification, which I'm really pleased about. And that just leaves one thing left to do, and that's put everything back together. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to my channel.